Steel sheet piles begin their journey here, in the scrapyard, where carefully selected scrap metal becomes the raw material for new, high-performance steel. The scrap is loaded into a ladle and transferred to the heart of the steelmaking process, the electric arc furnace. Huge graphite electrodes descend, releasing an intense electric arc powerful enough to melt the scrap. Once molten, metallurgists add precise alloys and additives. These adjustments control the steel's composition, ensuring the exact grade required for structural sheet pile products. The liquid steel flows into a tundish, then into the continuous caster. Here, it gradually solidifies and is cut into long semi-finished products called beam blanks, the ideal starting point for sheet pile rolling. After cooling, the beam blanks are stored in the yard, ready for the next transformation step. Before rolling, each beam blank is reheated in a powerful furnace. The steel becomes soft enough to shape. In the rolling mill, the beam blanks pass through a series of rolls. With each pass, the profile becomes more defined, stretching, bending, and shaping the steel until it takes on its characteristic sheet pile geometry. From recycled scrap to precision-rolled double piles, each step is engineered for quality, strength, and sustainability.